What's up, guys? So as the title suggests, I'll be changing out the cabin air filters on my W164 ML63, although the process should be basically the same on the X164 GL. You may have seen people do it the hard way by dropping the glove box inside the car, which is a lot more difficult and kind of unnecessary, to be honest, because if you pop the hood, I have it in service position right now, which is 90 degrees up, pretty convenient for a Mercedes. Just press the little red button over there, and you can push the hood all the way up. If you come to this side of the car, which is the right side in my case, you see a little box over here, a little vent that kind of vents from the hood over there, and you can see these two metal clips. There actually might be three usually, but mine's actually missing one, unfortunately. We're going to pop these clips open with a pry tool or a screwdriver of some sort, and we can actually remove this entire piece. Like that. Don't be too harsh on them. And like that. And then this whole piece actually just comes on out of here. And quite simply, you can see I already loosened up one of these filters, but you can pull it right out like so. And you can see this one's pretty dirty. We can put this to the side. In fact, this is basically just trash now. And of course, the second one is also there. We can pull this out as well. And there we go. Here are my new filters right here. These are the Cortico Micron air filters. The previous filters I had in there were the Man Freshest Plus. I just change these pretty frequently after all the road trips we do in this car, so might as well. With the fresh filters back in the car, you can put that cowl back on, and that basically wraps up this video, and you are all set with some fresh air filters.